Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we've got an unboxing of Supreme Week 11. If you didn't watch the video or the live card, we hit a bunch of stuff, so it's all here behind me. Let's check it out. I've just had a shower, so I look like I'm a bit sweaty, but I'm just wet from the water. But yeah, if you like these videos, leave a like, subscribe. Let's check it out. It'll be the most Supreme items I have got in one go. I think there's like seven Supreme items. Although you're probably wondering, like, how on earth are you getting 7 items? Well, basically what you can do is, like, you can jig stuff on, like, bots. So you just kind of, like, edit your address out so that Supreme doesn't flag your main account or your address. That's the reason why people are able to get more than one thing on a certain item, even though Supreme say one per item, per address, etc. Might take a while to unbox, so bear with me. I will obviously cut it all out, which I probably will do, to be honest. So yeah. All right, finally unboxed it all. I took a bit, but yeah. Let's start off with the Mosaic t-shirts. Now I got lucky. I hit them free, all different sizes, which is kind of cool. We got a medium one here. We got an extra large here. Quite big bags actually. But yeah, it does have all the paper and stuff in it actually, so it might be a bit annoying to. They should have made these a bit smaller. And same for, yeah, I'm pretty sure Supreme do smaller bags for these, but these are really big for these t-shirts, not gonna lie. And I got another XL. Actually, let's just check the size. I was supposed to get a large, a extra large, and a medium, but they've given me 2 extra larges and a medium. Interesting. I might have to like change the eBay before some. I have to check my emails actually to make sure it was the right one, because this is medium. Yeah, that says medium. Yeah, and that says extra large there. You probably can't see it, but there's 2 extra larges here. Let's just move this for a second. Look at the bags. You see the paper underneath the collar? There's like paper everywhere, so I feel like I've always said this, I do not like opening stuff. It doesn't look a dead stock when you try and sell it, you know? Maybe if you're at like a shop and have it hanging out, they don't really care, but I think the t-shirt looks sick. So yeah, that's the Mosaic. Let's have the Supreme on the back. I kind of want to show you it, but these bags are so big. To be fair, I did actually look on StockX, and for some reason these Mosaics, even though they sold out pretty much instantly, like the resale values on those are kind of like low at the moment. Although to be fair, it is just like a sleeper, because those type of shares tend to like eventually go up quite quickly. And once the season ends, people will start to try and get other stuff from like the past seasons. So yeah, and to be fair, those types of t-shirts do tend to go up in value. And it is a really nice t-shirt, not gonna lie. Maybe when summer actually becomes summer, we might see these go up a little bit more. But yeah, if you are interested in one, let me know. 2 XLs, no large. Let's see what we got here. We got the football jersey. This is the sudden death. This is a large this time, so they haven't fucked that up. I did buy a large, and yeah, as you can see, there's no actual patches on it, and people were like disappointed because it wasn't like, you know, the last jersey which had patches on it, kind of like ironed on, should we say. But the number is like a patch. That's not ironed on. It's got like stitch marks on it and stuff, so that's definitely stitched on together, which makes it a little bit more valuable. Never can see it, but it is really nice. I have potentially sold it. Someone did set an offer on the Depop, but I'm just waiting on them to pay. But yeah, that's sold, and on to the next items. And to be fair, this is the last ones because I got like 3 to show you all of them. But this, obviously, I did go for the denim arc jacket, and it is fire in person as well. I do love the colorway. I'm kind of tempted to keep one, not gonna lie, but I can't be spending money on myself. I have already sold one, by the way. I sold the extra large for 250 quid, which I think is a great steal, not gonna lie. I've seen StockX prices go up for quite a bit actually, so yeah. I have 2 larges left if anyone's interested. I am based in the UK, so shipping, if you're trying to buy it and you're not in the UK, maybe Europe, but if you're in America, it's like you're better off trying to find it in your own country. You could probably get a better discount, I would say, currency exchange, etc. Plus the hassle of just me shipping it to America is just a pain in the ass. I don't really like doing international stuff because I had way bad experiences when it comes to like shipping stuff like this really expensive. Like I've had people trying to scam me, which is really annoying. So yeah, I gotta say this olive one is fucking gorgeous. I actually might show you this one because I can easily fold this one up. Let's take a look. I think people said that these were like quite oversized. So like a large is kind of like a bigger large. I don't know. That's what I heard. We do have the paper on the back, so yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Fire piece with the collar. Definitely a nice colorway. I don't know if the picture is going to do it justice. I think the color looks way better in person than it might do on camera. But yeah, we got some sticky gel with the buttons. There's nothing on the back. It is very nice though. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like, do all that cool stuff, subscribe if you want to see more content. I did also receive a pair of Nike SB Dunks, which I'll be doing a little unboxing on those for another video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys, we hit 200 subscribers, and yeah, we are on the road to partner. I don't know what. Is partner even a thing on YouTube? I don't know. I think it's just the monetization. We're getting close to the first 1,000 hours watched. I think we need like 4,000 plus 1,000 subscribers. So if you are watching this video, subscribe right now. Post notifications, and thank you guys for watching. So yeah, see you later. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.